Just imagine making up to $1,500, $1,000, $2,000 in airdrop. So there are a lot of airdrops that you can actually be making as high as $500, $1,000, and $1,500, $5,000 worth of dollars. So in this video, I'm going to guide you how you can start farming those airdrops called Testnet, Node, AI, and Despin project. So welcome everyone to DigiTest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, join our Telegram channel, link in the description and comment section of this video. So in our Telegram channel, you're going to see a lot of all these projects you can start farming with the potential of giving you $500, $1,000 as the case may be. Just look at this screenshot. This person made a whopping sum of $1,500. The coin was just listed just few hours, just like a day ago. So in this 2025, there are a lot of money to be made. Now, the first thing you need to actually do if you want to start farming Testnet Node project is, if you are a laptop user, you need a Google Chrome. That's if you are using PC. And if you are a mobile user, what you actually need is Miss browser. You can't use Google Chrome if you are using mobile device to actually farm this airdrop. So you need a Miss browser. So from your Miss browser, you'll be able to actually farm this airdrop. And if you are a PC users, all you need is your Google Chrome. Then you download the extension and start farming this airdrop. So follow me as I guide you through. Those of you who want to start farming Node project or Testnet project on your phone, so this is how to get it done. So you head on to your Chrome browser, then you search for Miss browser. So you search for Miss browser, then you install it. You can see this is Miss browser. So you install, then you open. So after opening your Miss browser, then you come to this place at the top, this top corner. Can you see? So that is extension. You click on the extension, then you're also going to select the extension here at the top. So you click on the extension, then you can see here they say from store. You click on from store. So then you search for the node project you want to install. So let's say for instance you want to install grass. Just type in grass. So you're going to see grass light node. You can see. So then you just select it, then you install. You can see I've installed already. If I want to remove, I can remove it. So if I want to install node pay, can you see node pay extension? You get the point. So you install. So if you want to install gradient, you can see this is it. So the first one, you can install it. So any node projects you want to do, just follow it's just the same procedure. Then when you are done installing it, the next thing you need to do is to come over here again. You can see this sign. Then you're going to see the node project you've actually installed. You can see block mesh, node pay, and the host of others. You get the point. So let me click on node block mesh now. Can you see? It's farming. So then you can come here, gradient. So you can see like this. I need to log in. So then let's see node pay. So okay, this is the new season of node pay. So that's just the way on how you can actually get it done, as simple as ABC. One thing I want to let you know is this: for those of you, you use your phone for several things. So if you want to sleep at night, especially if you are using phone, all you need to do is just to open those node projects like this. Then you can place your phone down and let them start farming. Because I notice if you close the phone like this, it will stop working. So especially in the night, you can just keep it on. Then the timeout of your phone, you have to remove it so that the timeout will be on. Then you keep on charging your phone. So I wish you the best in 2025. See you at the top.